You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
All right. Are you ready? We've been doing a lot of intervals. We did stairs. So today, you 5Kers are gonna love this. And let's just get on here and spin. And if you don't know what that means, if you're new to this channel, that means I put it on what they call a steady pace, resistance of 1, and try to spin for 15 minutes above 20 RPMs. If you have this machine, you know that that is torture. If you don't have this machine, you're welcome to do the workout with us. We invite everybody here. Just get on your elliptical or your bike or your treadmill and keep the tempo with us. That's all. This workout channel is for everybody. So, let me get on. I like to use the iPhone watch in addition to my Max Trainer M7 because I have the heart monitor on that goes with my control panel. And I will put some music on after we get started. Try to help us out with the tempo a little bit. Like I said before, it's YouTube approved music. It's only a beat. I try to select a couple different things, did the best I could. We'll try to switch it up a little bit. So, let's find it, baby. Let's find it. If you're new to the channel, please hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe, hit that bell. I'll be here every day for you. Steady pace. 6 stages, 15 minutes. And ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. I didn't get my actual watch, but there it goes. Now I know it's a fast pace because there's next to no resistance on there. And that's the purpose of it, to get the cardio up. Do the best you can. I like to stay above the 20 RPMs. It's my target, no matter what I do. It's always at least 300 calories. After we get a couple of minutes, I'll get some tunes on here. That's it. Get your body adjusted. It will adjust. I know it feels weird. I say this is for the 5Kers because the first 800 meters 5K race should be taken off in a sprint. Getting your position and then settling back into your race. And if you're not doing that, start doing that. You'll have a better race result. Let's get some tunes. Just listen to the beat. Watch my pace and relax. Concentrate on me. Nothing else. comfortable with the speed now. Mess around with the hand positions to get comfortable. Yeah, I like it. Come on. You're all right. Yeah, slow down this point. Don't allow quitters here. Seconds. 5 minutes will be gone. And we have 100 calories. Awesome. That's the first 5 minutes, gone. Goes by quick. There you go. Concentrate on me. I'm the pace setter. Come get me. Still on resistance of 1. I haven't changed it. This is all cardio. Still in stage 3. Almost halfway there. There you go. Keep it going. You're not going to die. It's just your heartbeat. Pay attention to my tempo. Stay with my pace. Take it home. Come on. I'm an old man. Getting ready to turn 51 years old. You know you can stay with me. have to play with a hand position. You guys on the elliptical, the tempo should be easy for you. Last 5 minutes. Quit. Don't you dare quit. Come too far. Stick with it. It's time to man up. It's time to woman up. Get it. 4 minutes left. Concentrate on me. Stay with this pace, with the tempo. Boom, 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 boom. You got it. Calories. Doing good, man. Feel good. Change my hand positions. Three minutes ago. You got this. You come all this way to quit. Cardio, baby. Get them lungs burning. That's it. Keep it going. Woo! Yeah. How was that? How was that? Cardio, baby. Whoo. Okay. Recover. I'll see you next time. That was awesome.